So we're unboxing the new Peter McKinnon edition of the Insta360 X4. It's a new special kit. If you want to grab one, there'll be a link in the description down below. Priced at £589 here in the UK. It's a really good deal. I mean, there is some interesting things in here that you can't get with any other bundle that you can buy on the Insta360 website. So let's open it up, see what you get and what to expect when you purchase one of these things. So nicely packaged, as you can see. This is sort of the box you get, which is, you know, very Peter McKinnon-esque. Nice gold accents to the black box, so you sort of expect that from a Peter McKinnon edition. Very high quality packaging. Just open this up. Now the camera itself is exactly the same as you'd get with any other bundle, obviously. That's the camera in there with the little Peter McKinnon signature. It's the 360 X4. We're going to open this up, and this is what you get inside. So you got the camera, which is nice. We've got a brand new Insta360 X4. If you haven't seen my best action camera of 2024, then this was the winner. It's just, I know theoretically it's not an action camera, but because it's got 4K 60 now in single lens mode, I think it genuinely competes with other action cameras on the market. And then to top it off, it's probably the best consumer 360 camera you can buy as well. So for me, it's the one I pick up every single time I leave the house. So that is the camera. We've got the X4. I love that thing. You also get a 256GB SD card, micro SD card, and that's nice. That's a lot of storage. You're never gonna fill that up, really, I don't think. I never have, but yeah, that's a really good quality SD card. Another thing with the SD cards is they've never let me down. They've never crashed, they've never lost any footage. I've never had any issues with the Insta360 cards, and I've been using their cameras now for like 3 years. Always use Insta360 cards from the time when they had 64GB ones, but you got the nice gold Insta360 256 Pro SD card in here, that's awesome. We've also got a bunch of accessories in this box. So what do we get? We get all the instructions. Cool. We get the lens guards, the standard lens guards in here as well, so you can put that on there. With the new Insta360 X4, these just sort of twist on there. There's no more sticking them over the lens. They've got like a locking mechanism on there where you can sort of twist that on, so they're good. They're a very nice thing to have. So you get all the gumph, you get all the stickers, you get all the instructions, the guarantee and stuff, and then you get the case. So this is the standard case that usually comes with the Insta360 X4 anyway. You've got the heat guard, which helps dissipate some of that heat when using it in really hot environments. Incidentally, I took this on a trip to Iceland recently where I was using the camera down in temperatures down to like -16 on top of a glacier on a snowmobile. No issues, it just worked the whole time. So ultra reliable as well. We've got charging cable, we've got a little cloth in there, so you get everything in there as well, all the accessories you need. You also get a spare battery. So we've got a battery in the camera, and then we've got a battery here as well. That's wicked. So we've got 2 batteries in here. Nice quality. Battery life is just sick. Really, really good battery life. So the fact you've got 2 batteries, that's awesome. Comes in like a handy little carry case as well, so that's nice. So you've got the standard rubber lens guard, which is wicked. That actually fits over the camera if you're using this with the microphone adapter as well. If you've got it in the USB-C port, you can still put that on. Sort of fits down with these little notches, so that's a nice little feature. And then the star of the show, which is something that you want to think about when you're purchasing this thing, is you get this. Let's just move this box out of the way. I'm going to put the camera on here. So the camera screws on via the 1/4 inch on the bottom, and we're just going to lock it into place like so. So you can screw that little screw on the bottom, lock it into place. That's really nice. We've got that there. You can see the screw. So it's invisible. You have got a selfie stick. So it's sort of the standard length selfie stick, but this is where the magic comes in. So you fold that down, you press this little button there, it switches over, so you can sort of just put it away in a pocket. You got this Peter McKinnon branded lens cover as well, which we can put over. like that. Folds up, which is cool. So you've got this sort of foldable design. We've got a little lanyard there you can carry it with. So that simply just goes in your pocket. That's good. I do like that. So it folds up. If you want to take it off and get rid of that, you don't have to have that on there, by the way, if you don't want to. I'd probably, in all honesty, use the normal lens guard. It's okay. This is not my favourite though. I'm not a massive fan of having that dangling around, simply because this little tripod is built in. Wow, that's cool. So they sort of flick out together. They work in tandem when you take them out. What? Yeah, that's wicked. So they all come down together. You'd have to do them individually, which is nice, and then it sort of flicks out like that. So that's wicked. So it's got a tripod built in as well. You can extend it out, up if you want to, pop it down, put that away in there, fold it down, and you're away. You can just store it away. Then on top of that, you've got this detachable with magnets, little Bluetooth remote that you can start and stop recording from a distance. I'd imagine it'd be about 30 meters. It's usually about 30 feet, 30 meters from the camera. But yeah, that's magnetizes in there to start and stop recording. That's wicked. So it's a really nice little kit. In the box, you also get this little bit, which is for storing SD cards. So if you're not using the remote, you want to take that out. You're not a fan of that, you just take that out, the magnets, and then that goes in there, so you can store your SD cards in there if you want to. So that's another option. Comes in the box as well, but I'm going to be using that little Bluetooth remote. Definitely. Really great kit for the money. This is probably the ultimate kit. Imagine buying this as a gift for somebody's birthday. I'd be stoked if I got one of these for my birthday. So yeah, really cool. The star of the show is that really cool new tripod with the legs, branded Peter McKinnon tripod. Not a massive fan of the lens cover. I'd just use that one on the camera when I wasn't using it. Probably a bit more practical and a bit more protective, to be honest. So yeah, I'd probably take that off. But the actual tripod and the selfie stick, that's pretty dope, I've got to say. Okay, well done Insta360. Another good option for people to buy this fantastic camera. If you want to buy this kit, everything you get in here is pretty good value, I've got to admit, and it's my favourite camera so far until something else comes out this year. That's it for this one. There's a link in the description down below. That's an affiliate link, helps this channel grow if you do purchase through that link, and subscribe while you're down there. It really does help. Give this video a like as well. That's it. Peter McKinnon special edition Insta360 X4.